next watch out. The first chart is about looping. Okay, so it's on a 15-minute time frame. You can also use the moving average. In last session, in last video, we have again given UPL about this zone, and it has opened above resistance. So now again. Hello everyone, and welcome to the another video where we are going to discuss market analysis for the next trading session, that is 5th of October, and the levels for the both of the index Nifty and Bank Nifty and few stocks can be in your watch list for a couple of days. So let's start the analysis. First chart we are going to discuss is about Bank Nifty, and this is the daily time frame Bank Nifty, and this is a good candlestick of hammer, and next day gap up opening and big body white candle, almost more than 3.5% return on a single day. Almost 800 point Bank Nifty was up on last trading session, that is on Thursday. Friday was holiday, and now we will see next day momentum, where it will go, where it will head it. So let's start today's analysis. So converting this to the 15-minute time frame, smaller time frame, and we have seen this is a single day gain on the 1st of October. We have seen a good decent gain, and let's convert to the 5-minute time frame. So on the last day, Bank Nifty opened near this gap, this resistance with the gap up opening, and the immediate candle has crossed this resistance level. And upfront, we have seen a good momentum on one side after some hour of consolidation. Again, it was a good move on upside. So overall, it was a very good bullish day for Bank Nifty and few couple of stocks of banking, private banking especially. So let's mark the levels for the day's high and the day low. So I'm going to mark the day low is the first candle here, 21,664, and the high is around, this is the high, 22,293. So overall we have seen a good momentum on a single day. So expecting some kind of maybe sideways momentum, or maybe some kind of a decline or maybe correction in Bank Nifty because of this huge move. And if you have remember in last previously video, we have discussed about after this up move, Bank Nifty was in a sideways fall since 2 to 3 trading sessions. So expecting a good move, and we have seen a nice move on one-sided trended market on last trading session. So now I'm going to mark the level for important area of support. So I will use this Fibonacci retracement on a smaller time frame. So it's 38% comes near this previously which we have marked here important resistance. So 21,850 as a round number we are going to mark as important area of support for Bank Nifty. So this is the good area of support for Bank Nifty. And if I want to mark the level for the resistance, then I will shift this to the upside, and now let's mark the level. So on a 5-minute time frame, we have seen no upside resistance since last few days. So I'm going to convert this to 15-minute time frame, because here in last 3-4 days we have not seen any kind of swing high resistance or something like this. But on a 15-minute time frame, we can able to see important area of swing high, and exactly at this area we have seen the price has started falling from this area. Let me zoom it out, and we have seen a good side, the downside momentum started from 22,450, 470. So I'm going to mark 22,470 is an important area of resistance. Why? Because we have seen a good couple of conjunction resistance here and the gap down opening. So overall the move has been started from this level on a bearish side. So we're expecting if the market comes to near this zone, it will face some kind of hard resistance here. That's why we have marked 22,470 spot level, important area of resistance, 21,850 important area of support. So these are the two levels you can watch for the next trading session. So let me convert to the Nifty. On Nifty, we have seen again a good gap up opening and one-sided move in the morning, but since then, after 12, it has been in a sideways and giving a zigzag move. So let's mark the level of support and resistance first. So this is going to be a support zone, the low of the previous trading session, which comes 11,347, and let me mark the high here, which comes 11,428.60. So this is the area which we have marked high and low. So now I'm going to mark the support zone. From this to this, I'm going to check with the retracement zone. So my retracement 50% comes near this 11,324, and previously resistance has been broken out somewhere here 11,300. So 61% is also golden ratio at the previous swing resistance. So I'm going to mark 11,300 as important area of support for Nifty index. Okay. Let me convert to the 15-minute time frame to check the upper side any swing resistance. So swing resistance comes near 11,550. Here it's conjunction of resistance, so highest high is near 11,550. So I'm going to mark this is as an important area of resistance 11,550 for the Nifty index. So these are the levels: 11,550 resistance, 11,300 good area of support for Nifty index. So now let's check the chart analysis of stocks to next watch out. The first chart is about looping. Okay, so it's on a 15-minute time frame. You can also use the moving average always, and we have seen a good momentum on upside. The 15-minute time frame moving average slope is also upside, facing some kind of small resistance here. So I would say buy near 1,035. You can buy this stock around 1000 above 1035. If it crosses this level, it's a good signal of buy. Expecting a good move of this signal, high swing resistance around 1053.55 is the area of target, and keep your stop loss near this swing low. Okay, so this is a stock you can select as a bullish stock for next few days or maybe next day. And the next stock is UPL. Again, in last video, we have again given UPL about this zone, and it has opened above resistance. So now again it has come to testing the moving average support and this gap area support, forming a bullish candle with a good volume. So I would say buy next day around whatever the open price. Keep your stop loss above this swing low is the idea for this stock, and keeping your target at again 555 or 516 somewhere here. This is the area. So 555, 515 and 557 is the area. So keep your stop loss below this candle low. Good idea and good bet for long side in UPL. So these are the two stocks you can watch for the next couple of days. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share to your other groups, and you can hit the like button. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, then you can subscribe to it. Wait for my another video. Thank you so much.